welcome to my channel, Shay Spectrum. We are going to jump right into this video, so make sure that you stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just washed out the deep conditioner on my hair and wrapped my hair up in a t-shirt just so that it can retain moisture. I'm going to go and unwrap this so y'all can see what my hair is like. It's already sucking up any little bit of water that I've already put in. So it is damp, which is good. And you can see that my curls, they're there. They're living a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle before I start applying stylers and such. That's not the most straight liner in there. Okay. That's a little bettering. That'd be perfect. Next, I'm going to section my hair so that we can go through these sections pretty smoothly without extra hair in the way. Applying the Cantu coconut curling cream. I have used this product before and I actually really like it, but I've never used it with what we're going to do today, which is the Xtreme Wet Line Gel. I really like this product. I used this in my last wash and go, which I call a wash, stop and go, because we all know that we take a moment to stop and put some moisturizer and stuff in our hair before we actually go somewhere after we do a wash. Because you know, you walk out the house with just a wash and go, you're gonna be like this, and we don't want that, okay? So in addition to that, I'm gonna add the Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well. First, what I wanna do is section this big section just a little bit smaller to really get in here. This is a pretty tedious process, but I promise your wash, stop, and go will be popping if you do that. So my hair is damp now, which I do want. I know a lot of people wet their hair. I'm gonna try it without wetting my hair this time and just do it on damp hair and see what my results are like. I really wanna retain some of the length in my wash and go. And so if I can do that by doing it on damp hair, then that would be great. But we're gonna go and try it. So I'm gonna comb this out. I know it might look like I'm combing hard, but I promise I'm not. I got the big tooth comb. Oh, yeah, and I'm just gonna comb through. After, I'm gonna apply about this much. Typically, I would use a Denman brush, which I do have one, but I'm not gonna use one today just because I want my curls to be super defined, but not super defined with shrinkage. And I feel like using the Denman brush gives me a lot of shrinkage. And so today I'm not going to be using the Denman brush. So now that I have the product combing through, I'm going to add in the Wet Line Gel Xtreme. Y'all, my hands has hair on it, but that's about how much I'm gonna do. It's not that much. I'm gonna start at my roots and apply it all the way down to my ends. For this demo today, I'm going to be using the raking method just because I feel like it gives my hair defined curls, but also it keeps a lot of the length in my curls, which is the look that I'm going for this time around. So I'm gonna do a little bit of the raking, and then I'll set it off with the praying hands method. So we'll see how this works, how this turns out. So I'm gonna do this for this entire section of the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch, and then I'm going to do it on the other sections, and then we'll come back and do the next step. But so far, we're looking pretty defined. So I'm really happy with that look. So let's hope that we retain this length, sis. But I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all watch this part, and I will be back momentarily. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, queen.
That looks so good. My hands are disgusting, so plan on that. Okay, so the next important step that I did not know last time I did this little wash, stop, and go method was to lay your baby hairs down. Lay your hairs down, lay the baby hairs down, lay the baby hairs down. I'm gonna tell y'all this over and over again, because if you don't lay them down, then guess what? Once you dry, they are gonna be stuck in place. And so I'm going to use this cute edge thing that I got off of Amazon. I'll link it below. Did I get it from Amazon? No, I actually think I got it from Walmart, so I'll look for it. But it's so cute. It's called Cameron's BFF Gentle Edges Double-Sided Brush Comb, 100% pure boar bristles. It's so cute, y'all. Like, look at the back. Look at those little girls right there with those little puff balls. And then to top it off, it says it's from First Line brand, which is a Houston, Texas brand. So shout out to them. But I am going to try to pull this right on out of here. Ain't got no scissors. Okay, perfect. Just like I like it. So I'm gonna go here and just add some of the wet line gel over to my edges just to slick them down before I sit in the dryer, because I learned last time that I should have did this before. It was not nice. I always like to curl this little cute one right there. And I'm gonna use the comb side this time. It's a little hard to use, I will say that. I'm not a pro at using this, as y'all can see, but I'm gonna learn. But it's doing what it should, which is great. I wonder if the brush side works better. Oh. I don't know why I went the other direction anyways. Just a little something for the people. I'm gonna brush this a little back, just cause I need this just sit on my head. Yes, okay, that looks good. Show up to the party. Okay, perfect. So this is what we are looking like now, friends. I am going to sit under my dryer again for about 20-30 minutes. I think last time it dried pretty quick, and so I'm gonna sit on the dryer again. I'm also going to add the Jojoba black castor oil, or Jamaican black castor oil, sorry, into my hair, just so that it'll actually get into my scalp with some heat on there, and then hopefully we have some moisture and don't be dry. Okay, so time to dry again. Y'all, I'm really excited about this. I really hope that it oh Lord. I really hope that it does what I think it's gonna do. I need this length to stay. I need my dryer to stop tripping. So yes. Okay guys, so I've been under the dryer for about 30 minutes and we are looking real flat. But I feel like from my other wash stop and go that my hair is a lot softer, which I really do like. I don't think I like the whole crunchy situation. I think I might have some crunch, but I really feel like my curls are sitting lower bit already. Of course, they're still gonna shrink up. I probably stretch them. We'll see. Oh my goodness, it feels really good. I will tell you that. It feels super good. Probably should have showed y'all a full view before I dried it, but this is what it looks like on the side. And this is the back. It feels really nice, y'all. Ooh. It feels good, y'all. So what I'm going to do is tie this up for the night, and then I will show y'all the final look tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is the next day after I have stretched my hair and slept on it. This is day 2. Y'all look, just look at these curls. Like, looks incredible. I'm gonna give y'all a full view. What I will say about the combo that I did today is that, or on yesterday, is that my hair does feel automatically a lot softer. I don't know if it's the Cantu products, which I imagine that it is, because the other brand that I used, I let y'all know that it was kind of like watery, and so I think that that is why my hair seemed very crunchy and not full of life like after I used the product mixed with the wet line gel. This time I used the Cantu coconut cream in partnership with the Xtreme wet line gel, and it was incredible. But I do like this combo. When I stretched it, my hair did feel soft, and so I was a little scared of stretching it, but it actually came out really good. Today in Houston, it is very rainy, so I did not want to stretch it too much, of course, because we get humidity. So yeah, but I really like this combo. I do recommend using these two products together. They work amazing, and I'm gonna see how long it lasts. It is a little soft, so I am concerned that it may not last as long, but I like how flowy it is, and I like that my curls are still defined, and I like that I was able to stretch it very easily. I didn't, like I said, I didn't stretch it crazy, but I was easily able to stretch it, and like I said, the results look really good. And so I hope that this lasts at least 5 days, but I'm a little skeptical about it lasting that long. I think I might get a good 3 days, but we'll see. I'll update y'all, I guess, in one of my next videos on how this actually lasted. But it looks really good, so go ahead and try these products out. Again, if you are new here, do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you are a returning or if you are new, leave comments down below based on anything that you think that I should try, any combos that you have seen that maybe I have not done already. Go ahead and comment that down below. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.